Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Choice Top, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in gadget reviews. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with our top picks. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with our countdown of the top 5 robot vacuums of 2025, all available on Amazon and featuring official promo videos on YouTube. Let's get started. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo designed to handle all your cleaning needs with minimal effort. Its dual rotating mops deliver a deep clean on hard floors, while 5,000 pascal suction ensures carpets are spotless. The advanced AI system detects and avoids obstacles like cords, shoes, and pet toys, preventing disruptions. Its base station takes care of emptying the dustbin, refilling water, and washing and drying the mops, keeping maintenance hands-free. With customizable cleaning settings via the app and a 180-minute runtime, it's perfect for large households. The Roborock Q8 Max Plus combines powerful cleaning performance with intelligent features, making it an excellent choice for busy homes. With 5,500 pascal suction, it effortlessly removes dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its advanced LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping and efficient cleaning without missing a spot. The auto-empty dock holds up to 7 weeks of dust, minimizing maintenance. The vacuum also offers customizable cleaning zones and multi-level mapping, perfect for homes with complex layouts. With a runtime of up to 180 minutes and app control, the Q8 Max Plus delivers both convenience and performance. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a standout hybrid vacuum and mop, designed to handle both hard floors and carpets with precision. Its unique mop design automatically lifts when carpets are detected, ensuring surfaces are cleaned appropriately without manual intervention. Equipped with precision vision navigation, it identifies and avoids obstacles like cords, pet waste, and shoes, making it perfect for pet owners and families. The self-emptying clean base allows weeks of maintenance-free cleaning, while smart mapping lets you customize cleaning zones and schedules. Voice assistant compatibility adds convenience, making it a top-tier cleaning companion. The Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 takes cleaning automation to the next level with its advanced features and exceptional performance. This robot vacuum and mop combo boasts 5,300 pascal suction, easily lifting dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its AI-powered obstacle avoidance ensures smooth navigation, while the dual rotary mops deliver a thorough scrub for spotless floors. The all-in-one base station handles dustbin emptying, mop washing, and water refilling, keeping your hands off maintenance for weeks. With support for multi-floor mapping and app customization, it's perfect for homes of any size. A true game-changer in smart cleaning. The Roomba Combo 10 Max represents the pinnacle of robotic cleaning technology, combining powerful performance with seamless usability. Its dual-function design transitions effortlessly between vacuuming and mopping, with a mop that automatically lifts when carpets are detected. Equipped with 3D precision vision navigation, it avoids obstacles with exceptional accuracy, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. The advanced self-emptying and mop cleaning dock provides weeks of maintenance-free operation, while the app allows you to customize cleaning zones, schedules, and preferences. Compatible with voice assistants, it's the ultimate cleaning solution for a spotless home. Thank you for joining us for our countdown of the top 5 robot vacuums of 2025. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Choice Top and hit the notification bell for more rankings, reviews, and cutting-edge gadget updates. See you next time.